Salvete omnes. This is chapter 32, exercise B. We have to translate the following English verbs into Latin. Number 1, we are able. We are able. So if we have able, this is possum. So start with we are. What is just we are? The form of to be. We are. That's the present tense, first person plural, sumus. Now add able, P-O-T, pot sumus. But we don't do pot sumus. The T turns into an S. Possumus, possumus. He can. He can is the same as he is able to. So he is est, and potest. Potest. He is able to, he can. You will be able. You will be able. So we want the second person singular future. You will be, that's eres, and then able is poteres. Poteres. They were able. So this is a past tense, they were able. You could actually do the imperfect or the perfect tense here, and they're different in Latin, but it's hard to tell just by looking at the English which one we want. So they were able, poterant, poterant, the imperfect, we have erant and poterant, or the perfect, potuerunt, potuerunt. She could, so once again, past tense, could also be the imperfect. She was able to, or she has been able to, she could. So the imperfect poterat, or the perfect potuit. I had been able, that's pluperfect, potueram, potueram. 3, he was absent. To be absent is to be away, that is absum. He was absent, that's either the imperfect tense or the perfect tense. So aberat, aberat, or you could say fuit, the perfect tense, fuit. They are present. They are present. That's going to be third person plural, present tense of ad sum, ad esse, ad fui, ad futurus. So they are is just sunt, and present is the prefix ad. So we want ad sunt, ad sunt. They are away is the opposite of they are present. They are away. This is going to be absunt, absunt. He will be able. It's going to be third person singular, future of possum, posse, potui. He will be is eret, and able is pot. We have poteret. They can is equal to they are able to. They are is sunt, and are able is pot. We don't say pot sunt, but possunt, possunt. I shall have been able. I shall have been able. First person singular, future perfect. Potuero, potuero. We shall be away. We shall be away. First person plural of absum, ab esse, a fui, a futurus. We shall be is erimus, and we want ab erimus. He was near. That's going to be a form of ad sum. So he was is erat, and then add ad, and we have ad erat. We could also use the perfect tense ad fuit. They have been away could only be the perfect tense, third person plural, afuerunt, afuerunt. 6, sexta. You were able to flee. So we have you were able to. Past tense of possum posse potui. We'll make it second person singular. You were able to, either poteros or potuisti. And then possum almost always takes a complementary infinitive to complement or complete its meaning. So we want the present active infinitive of fugio, fugere, fugi, fugitus. We want fugere. So something like fugere poteras or fugere potuisti. Septima, they could withstand. That equals they were able to withstand. It could either be the imperfect they were able to, or the perfect they were once able to, they have been able to withstand. So this withstand is going to be a complementary infinitive to complement or complete the meaning of possum. They were able to. So poterant or potuerunt, sustinere, sustinere, or sostenere. Sostenere poteras, or I'm sorry, sostenere poterant. Sostenere potuerunt. Octava, he forces the men to fight. So he forces, this is one of those verbs that takes a subject accusative and an objective infinitive, the object of the main verb. He forces the subject accusative to do the objective infinitive. So kogo, kogere, koegi, coactus, kogit. He forces kogit, the men, the accusative plural, viros, to pugnare, the objective infinitive, pugnare. So pugnare viros kogit. Viros pugnare kogit. Nona, I ordered the messenger to run. So I ordered the subject accusative to do the objective infinitive. I ordered, that's the perfect tense first person singular of eubeo, eubere, iussi, iussus. So iussi, iussi. The messenger, the subject accusative, nuntium, of nuntius, nunti masculine, and then to run is the present active infinitive, the objective infinitive of curro, currere, cucurri, cursus. So I ordered the messenger to run would be something like nuntium currere iussi. And decima, they will be able to sleep. They will be able to sleep. So we have a form of possum which screams out for a complementary infinitive in to sleep. Dormio, dormire, dormivi, dormitus. So they will be is erunt, add the poterunt, dormire, dormire, poterunt. Optime, very well done. Make sure you review those verb forms for possum, as well as odsum and obsum. Also, make sure you review the three kinds of infinitive uses: subjective, objective, and complementary. Don't worry about indirect statement yet. Optime, valete omnes.